7 delicious recipes that let you eat your coffee. As long as you don't load it with flavor shots, non-dairy creamer, and other ridiculously unhealthy garbage, coffee can be seriously good for you. Studies have shown it's the best stuff for waking up, boosts memory, protects against some cancers, and makes for a better workout. And sure, all this research gives you permission to get more coffee into your system, but who says you just have to drink it? Now you can eat it, too, when you make one of these 7 inventive coffee-infused recipes from some of our favorite healthy bloggers. If these don't perk you up, we're not sure what will. Salted coffee-crusted wings. It's almost football season, which means one thing: chicken wings. And lots of them. But forget about wings slathered in butter and sugary BBQ sauce, and go for these coffee-crusted wings from Food Well Said, which are marinated in cold brew and then tossed in espresso grounds. Hazelnut espresso granola. Thanks to this hazelnut espresso granola from the big man's world, you now have 2 ways to get coffee flowing through your bloodstream first thing in the morning. A subtle bitterness from the coffee mixes perfectly with toasted hazelnuts and sweet chocolate for a low-sugar granola you can grab by the fistful. Maple coffee glazed bacon. Bacon lovers rejoice. There's another way to enjoy your favorite meat, and it might be your new favorite. Thanks to flavor-packed morning staples, maple and coffee, Tina of the Worktop says this bacon is a little bit salty, sweet, earthy, and, of course, meaty. Vegan quinoa and coffee chili. This is a vegan chili even meat eaters will love, thanks to the addition of a little ground coffee. Just 1 tablespoon adds a rich, earthy depth you'd otherwise miss in a meatless dish. Cooking Stone blogger James Stone, get it? Says adding coffee to the mix is like whipping out a bass guitar. Tiramisu rice pudding. You could eat this healthy rice pudding from Arman at the big man's world for breakfast or for dessert, it's just that good. A scoop of protein powder gives it staying power, and dark cocoa powder and coffee granules make it taste like the decadent Italian treat. Cherry chocolate chip coffee popsicles. Say goodbye to sugary coffee ice cream and hello to your new favorite caffeinated treat. These cherry chocolate chip popsicles from an edible mosaic are 100% paleo, meaning they're naturally sweetened and use coconut cream instead of cow's milk. Chocolate coffee overnight oats. Overnight oats are like a godsend for breakfast, quick to throw together at night and delicious by morning every time. And the addition of coffee just makes them tastier and energizing.